All right, so come in looking at the vents and the openings to the outside. Some that were not visible from outside, attached to porches. We have to seal those off. I'm also looking at the quality of what's been installed before us. Just a typical vapor barrier is what it's called. But it really, obviously, as you can see, it's not sealed, so it's not really keeping any of the moisture out. So the humidity is high, and we've got condensation on the ductwork because it's cold and we have moisture here. As the ductwork condensates, it drips and it creates all these puddles that you see on top of this plastic. So the old school thinking of a vapor barrier that is not sealed and doesn't go up the walls, and we don't close off the outside air, allows that moisture to come in, it condenses, and we still have a moisture problem. You can see mold and some wood rot going on here, and this house has even been foam insulated from below, but it doesn't do anything to protect this wood that's still hanging down, and you can see the mold that's growing here. Once we eliminate that moisture and we bring it down below 60%, this goes dormant and will not get any worse, will not continue to feed, reproduce, or off gas. So we eliminate the odors as well. But in order to do that, we have to seal off all the vents, the outside air leaks, and we need to install a rail liner that is sealed. All penetrations and seams are sealed and go up the walls.